Hi guys, good day. My name is Jonathan Maamo, Bachelor of Science in Fisheries second year student. So in this video, we're going to make a fishing gear. So there's really a lot of fishing gear, types of fishing gears, but I decided to make the sapiao or the crab leaf net for this video. So basically in this video, I'm going to show you what are the materials needed in making the sapiao or the crab leaf net. I'm going to also show you the process on how to make it, and I am going to discuss how the crab leaf net or the sapiao works, that kind of fishing gear, and then lastly I am going to tell you what are the target species of the fishing gear that I have chosen to make, which is the sapiao or the crab leaf net. So without further ado, let's begin. So these are the materials needed in making the sapiao or the crab leaf net. 2 pieces of bamboo slots, an empty plastic bottle, a rubber, a nylon, the tinga, the fishing net, the rope, and a scissor. So guys, today I'm going to show you what are the steps in making the sapiao or the crab leaf net. So first, we have to get the 2 pieces of bamboo slats. We have to make sure that the bamboo slats are still fresh in cut so that it will be easy to bend and it will not be easily break like that. And then, of course, we have to put some marker here for the cutting of the, just like this one, so that whenever we put the nylon it will not move. So we have to really make the edges just like this so that the nylon will not move when we put the nylon. Okay, so first we have to tie the center of the bamboo slats like this using the rubber. Okay, just like this. We have to just tie this one. Make sure it is very well tied. So second step, once that the bamboo slats is already been tied properly, I also have another bamboo slots, and we're going to measure each side equally, just like that. And then to the other side, again, this one, we have to really tie this one the same all sides. Okay, so here we go guys. Once we finish tying the nylon to the bamboo slots with the exact measure of each of the side, what we're gonna do next is that we are going to get now the fishing net so that we can measure the exact amount of fishing net we're gonna use. Okay, so first we have to tie the fishing net to the other side of the bamboo slots. Okay, so we have to tie this one properly using the nylon. So here we go. I already done tying the nylon and the fishing net here, and once we done, we just have to cut the excess fishing net that we are using here. Okay, so we have to cut this one. So after cutting the excess fishing net we used in the sapiao, what we're gonna do next is that we're going to add this tinga side of the sapyaw. This one is the tinga. The purpose of the tinga is that we have to put each one of this in the each side of the sapyaw, just like that, and we have to tie that one. And the purpose of the tinga is that it will add weight to the sapyaw so that it will not easily be eroded when there is a high current, so that it will just, the sapyaw will stay still on the place you put. Okay, so we're gonna tie this one. So last thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna connect the rope with a plastic bottle to the top of the sapyaw. Just like that. And this is the finished product of our sapyaw, or the crab leaf net. The crab leaf net or sapyaw is intended for catching crabs in shallow water and is often baited to lure crabs. The baits used are usually chunks of brackish water, fish, rays, catfish that are suspended by a string in the middle of the gear. So for example, you can put a string here and then you have the bait here. So once the crab will crawl to the sapyaw or crab leaf net, it will eat the bait, and then all you gotta do is that you have to pull upward the sapyaw, just like that, and then the crab will fall to the fishing net, and there it cannot escape because due to the fishing net, our fishing net has big holes, so it cannot move, so it cannot escape. So you can catch now the crab. So that's how the crab leaf net works.